Good morning, YouTube. All right, this is total pour number 4. Yes, number 4. Second pour on the main story of the house. You can tell if you look out here, kind of where the first pour is. All of the yellow blocks are the oldest blocks. The white blocks are the new blocks. So part of it, we only have like one block depth. So here we're just what, 24, 30 inches, somewhere around in there. And then we go over to like 3 or 4 feet. And then over there we're about 5 feet, and over there we're about 7 feet. So it just kind of varies. And this is the topper pour. So once we get everything level here, we'll be screeding this off flat with the top of this formwork. And then that's what the roof's gonna set on. So it needs to be pretty nice and flat and smooth. We got our plugs in, ready for our joists. We got our ledger on for the garage. I think we're ready. We got our string set up. We got our zonts and zuckles ready to go. Cross fingers.
You're lucky you didn't hear bad words. I thought I was going to the floor.
Right numbers man corrected me. This is pour 5. I forgot the footers. So footers, basement wall, basement floor, first wall, first pour, and then this pour.
Thank you, numbers man.
That's what I'm here for. Just the numbers.
Give him a birdie. Yeah. Ain't that one up. You need more than one?
Okay, I was nervous. I get nervous before every pour. There's just a lot of quick moving parts and a lot of money going into it, so yeah, I get nervous. But we are done. Everything went really, really well. I don't think we had one oh crap moment. Yeah, we thought we could get away with not vibrating some of it because we thought it was going to spread the wall where we've cut the top off and the ties weren't near the top. We thought it was going to spread the wall, so we're like, let's not vibrate it because it looks good. And I started worrying a little bit about whether we had good concrete underneath where our plugs are, so I'm like, let me just vibrate it a little bit just to see what happens. And as soon as we did, it sank a lot, so there was a whole bunch of cavities. So we came back and vibrated that whole wall and then topped it again, and then we didn't vibrate the very top. That helped out a lot, and then we've just vibrated everything from there on out. But otherwise, everything went really well. Topping it was a little hard. Nathan would do a really good job of getting just enough mound on it, but it had to be just a perfect mound so that when they came back with the vibrator that we didn't now have a trough. And then Terry, which is Carrie's dad, came back with the trowel behind everybody and filled in, scraped off. We'd scrape into a 5-gallon bucket and carry it around. But everything went great. And now we got the garage wall done. We got stuff coming out all of our brick ledge, and we didn't even worry about cleaning that off because we're just pouring more concrete onto it. So the rougher it is, the better it'll grab concrete. So that's my thought anyway. So that's all good. This poured really well. And we're about right there on concrete. Almost all the way around. We ran out over there, but that's what this was for, is just to burn the extra concrete. Cool.